Question number 7. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. The first one 99 whole cube. Question number 7. First one 99 whole cube. It can be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. It is in the form of a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into bracket a minus b. Okay, 100 minus 1 whole cube equal to 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1 into bracket 100 minus 1. Okay, this equal to 100 cube is a 10 lakh. 10 lakh minus 1 cube is minus 1. Okay, minus 3 ones are 3, 2 zeros keep as it is. Then 1 into 100 plus into minus 1 ones are 1. Okay, calculate these terms. Okay, 10 lakh minus 1 minus into plus minus 3 ones are 3, 4 zeros keep as it is minus 1. Okay, plus 10 lakh minus 1 minus 30,000 minus 1, addition and subtract these terms. We got the answer 9,70,299. Similarly, you can solve these two. 100 plus 2 whole cube means this is in the form of a plus b whole cube. Then 1000 minus 2 whole cube, it is in the form of a minus b whole cube. Applying these two identities and solve second and third. Eighth one, factorize each of the following. First one, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Okay, eighth, first question, 8a cube plus b cube, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Okay, solution. 8a cube can be written as a 2a whole cube because of 2 cube is 8. Then b cube can be written as a b whole cube plus 12a square b can be written as 3 into bracket 2a into b plus 6ab square can be written as 2a plus b. Okay, it is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. So this equal to a plus b whole cube. Therefore 2a plus b whole cube. Okay. Similarly, we will solve second one. 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Okay, 8a cube can be written as 2a whole cube and b cube can be written as minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square can be written as bracket 2a into b, 2a into b into 2a minus b. Now we will check once again. Okay, a cube can be written as a 2a whole cube, b cube can be written as a minus b whole cube minus. Okay, see here, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12, a into a square, okay, b, plus, minus into minus, plus, 3 2s are 6, a into a and b into b square. Okay, this is correct. Now it is in the form of, it is in the form of a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into bracket a minus b equal to a minus b whole cube. Therefore 2a minus b whole cube. Similarly, you can solve third, fourth and fifth one. Either it may be a cube minus b cube, or it may be a cube plus b cube. Applying these two identities and solve 3, 4 and 5 question number 8. Next, 9th. Question number 9. Verify. First one, x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Question number 9. First one, x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into bracket x square minus xy plus y square. Okay. Now here consider RHS. Consider RHS. Already you know this term is considered as LHS and this term is considered as RHS. Now we will consider RHS equal to x plus y into bracket x square minus xy plus y square. This equal to, now we can multiply x with this term. Okay, x into x square, x cube, plus into minus, minus, x into x square y, plus into plus, plus, x square y, plus into minus, minus, x y square, plus into plus, plus, y square into y cube. Okay, this equal to minus x square y plus x square y cancelled. Okay, then sorry, 1 minute, x into x square x cube minus x into x square y. Okay, plus xy square. Sorry, I will leave here one term. Sorry. Once again I multiply x with this term, x square into x cube, plus into minus, minus, x into x square y, plus into plus, plus xy square. Okay, now this term is completed. Now we can multiply y with this term, plus into plus, plus x square y, plus into minus, minus xy square, xy square. Okay, plus into plus, plus y into y square y cube. This equal to minus x square y plus x square y cancelled, plus xy square minus xy square cancelled. Now x cube plus y cube is remains. So this is considered as a LHS. This equal to LHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Therefore x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into bracket x square minus xy plus y square. Okay. Similarly, you can solve second one. First consider RHS and solve, and next consider as a LHS. So must and should be LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, finally you can write x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into bracket x square plus xy plus y square.